Right. There's this line here it looks a bit complicated. So rather than breaking this down, I would want to use an example to illustrate the above. All right, let me use a very quick example. Right. This is a 2D example. I deliberately use a 2D example because it's a lot easier for all of us to understand. All right, find a vector B which has a magnitude of 14, but it has the same direction as 3, 4. Let's suppose this is 3, 4. Right, this is 3 units here and 4 units here. Correct? Is 3, 4. Now you want to basically find a vector B, correct? A vector B here, which has a magnitude 14, which is the same direction as 3, 4, and I deliberately draw it like that. Now, how do we then find it? Now, surely you can tell me that the magnitude of this vector here is 5, and you want this to be 14. Correct? You want this to be 14. It's because you want B to have a magnitude of 14. Now, first step to do, what do we do? Let us try and find the unit vector of 3, 4. Why do I want to find the unit vector of 3, 4? I'll explain later. All right. I don't think it's difficult because let us recall unit vector of U is U divided by magnitude of U. Correct? So then by finding that we have already found a particular vector like that, this one, this is 1 over 5, 3, 4. And this unit, this vector here has magnitude 1. So I think it's not difficult, all right, to then say this. So since we have found, this is the solution, full solution here, we have found here, correct, 1 over 5, 3, 4, which is the unit vector. To find B, which is 14 times of this one, therefore you take 14 times of this one, you will get this. So the concept used here is essentially here V equals to magnitude of V times the unit vector of V. So this is the exact concept that we are using. So recall again, I want to emphasize again here is first find this special vector, unit vector. Then because you want this length to be 14, so therefore you multiply by the 14 here. Yes? So therefore this is using. And then now this makes more sense because we are actually doing this. Either you use this or this, it needn't really matter. All right. So because just now recall what we did, we say B is 14, which is the magnitude multiplied by our 1 over 5, 3, 4, where this is the unit vector. All right, that's that.